Hi, I am Ali Kavandi, manager of Nedai Darya Group. I invite you to watch this video.
I am Mate Kava. My profession is producing travel show. I travel to interesting places in the world, take informations, videos and photos and then edit them and show them to you. In this episode, I am going to Hajj Dadash traditional restaurant in Zanjan, Iran and show you the special food. So one of the famous place in Zanjan Bazaar to eat food and some traditional food is this place. They have a food here called basturma and I will show you in the near future. 100 years ago, a guy called Haj Dadash had built a bath house for people in the center of a market, traditional market in Zanjan. And after a while, when they built bath at homes, these places had no use and was lived. But after a while, they renovated and switched it to the restaurant. And nowadays it is a traditional interesting restaurant in the center of traditional market of Zanjan. The most famous food here is a dish called basturma, and if you know about basturma in Armenia, I can say that this one is totally different than basturma in Armenia. Basturma in Zanjan is a piece of boiled meat that they put inside the rice and cooked it with rice again. After having lunch in Haj Dadash restaurant and take a rest, we continued our tours in interesting places in Zanjan, which I'll show you in the next episodes of this travel show. Click on like, follow and subscribe. Make no pain to your finger, but remove all of my pains and help me to produce better videos. Thank you.